Hello everyone, welcome to Lee Dynasty Kitchen. Today I'm very happy to share with you one of the most popular Vietnamese dish we call bánh bèo, rice cake. Not steamed, it's real rice cake. Remember before I shared with you with the small machine 18 cake mold? Very little, very yummy and very easy to make. Same today with the same concept, same recipe, just changing few small details. And you're gonna have a very nice and yummy rice cake. This machine, 7 cake mold. So the size of the cake will be bigger, very easy to make. You enjoy 18 cake mold before, will be same with this one. So again, you save a lot of time to do with my new concept and my new recipe. Less time consuming, fast to do, and very yummy to eat. So please join me today with Lee Dynasty Kitchen how to make the yummy grilled rice cake with very easy, fast way to do. Come in, please join me. With the new concept today, with my recipe and my creation, you will have the grilled rice cakes very yummy. Very easy to do, and it's not take a lot of time like the old way, and you don't have to worry about washing dishes, or you can get steam a lot in the house when you use the steamer machine. So with this way, you will have the rice cake very yummy, very easy, and very tasty. So let's find out about the ingredient, what we're gonna need for the grilled rice cake today. We're gonna use rice starch, tapioca starch. 1 bag of the rice starch equal with 454 gram, 80 gram of the tapioca starch, 4.5 cup of cold water, and then mix well. You will need another 3 cups of the hot water. Okay, mix all well. That's it. Put in the fridge overnight. Next day, you pour it out the water on the top, the clear water. Whatever you take it out, you replace it back with the boiling water. Remember, the boiling water, okay? Same equal amount of the water you take it out. Put in the, mix with the powder. Stir it up well. Add a little bit of sea salt, a little bit of cooking oil. That's it. Mix it well, and we're gonna ready to make the cake. First of all, we're gonna move some of the mix to the smaller cup so we can, use it easier for later on. Make sure you mix well the mix before you pour it in. Okay, you're gonna add more than half of the mold. Okay, a little bit more than half of the mold. Don't put it too much because it's gonna be very thick. But if you put too little, and you won't have that, that middle hole in the middle of the cake, which is that what we want. Turn on the machine and cover with lid. Okay? What is the timing of this? Normally it takes about 1 minute. Okay? Or when you used to make few times, you will know when you see some steam come up from the machine. Then you know it will be almost ready. Okay, remember to pour in the mix when the machine is cool. Now take a look. You can open it up a little bit. See, this is how it's gonna look. Maybe the first couple round you won't see it form nicely, but as more you do it, you will know when to take it out. This is how nice is the rice cake. So let's go for more detail how to make the rice cake and when is the perfect timing to remove the cake out. So I'm gonna use 2 machines this time, okay, because I have the party tonight. So after you pour the mix to the machine, close with the lid, turn on the machine, okay. After a while when you do it, you will be notice that there is some smoke coming up, and then you can hear the sound cracking a little bit from the machine. You can check by lift the lid up, okay. Then, if it's good, you can turn it off the machine. Just leave the lid on for a few more seconds, okay. Okay, so now you see, open the lid. See, now it's all ready. The cake is fully cooked. See, very nice, very soft, a little bit chewy, so yummy. Take it out by the skewer stick. Very easy. Look at that. Okay, one more thing that you have to remember, that you have to clean the machine each time by the wet paper towel. To doing that, so you can clean the machine, of course, but the main reason is to cool down the machine, because the mix have to be put it on the machine when the machine is not hot. So by doing that, it helps. Put the mix on, turn it on the machine, close the lid. It's the same procedure. Continue at the other side. Remember, you pour a little bit more than half of the mold. This is the perfect size. Okay, turn on the machine, close the lid. You will, the more you do, the more you will be notice that when the cake will be ready to take it out. See, check it out, because you hear some noise from the machine. So just turn off the machine and just stay on for like that with the lid for another few seconds. That's it. Look at that. Nice, nicely done. Not too soon, not too late. You're gonna get the perfect cake. See, look at that. Look at the smoke coming up. This is when the cake is ready. Turn off the machine and leave the lid on for a few more seconds. That's it. Clean up the other side as usual with the wet paper towel. And remember, mix well the powder before you put it on the machine. The perfect amount of the mix will make the cake look nicer, and it's a perfect one. Look at that. See how nice and easy to take it out just like that? Very yummy. Clean it up as usual. So by doing that, by the time, by the end of the day when you finish, the machine is all good. You don't have to wash dishes. You don't have to do anything. Remember, don't put too much of the mix, but too little, then it's no good also, because you're not going to have that little circle in the middle of the cake. Look at that, the smoky. See, like that. Turn off the machine and leave the lid on for a few more seconds. With the same procedure you do, and you can have the rice cake in no time. Very fast, very easy. And you know what? The cake is very yummy. Clean it up. Pour the mix. Remember, don't put too much. If you want a small cake, you can use the machine with 18 cake mold I have shared before. Look at that. Look at the smoke coming up. See? Turn it off the machine and leave the lid on for a few more seconds. Very yummy, very easy. It looks so easy, right? So easy, so convenient. Look at this. You can see a little bit, dry at the bottom, but don't worry. Look at that. Very nice, very soft. So by the time when the cake cool down a little bit, it's very nice and soft. Very, a little bit of chewy, so which is perfect. Check at the other side. Look at that. See how the little in the middle, the little circle? Very good. If you don't have two machines, you can do just one, is fine. Okay? Look at this. This is the perfect cake. Look at that circle in the middle. That's what we want to see. Okay? The rice cake at the original way, you have to steam. This is grilled, but as good as the steamed one, or not even better. Beautiful. Very easy and very fast. Look at that. This is sometimes you can see some bubble in the middle, but don't worry, it's still yummy. Don't forget to clean up the machine each time. And the amount of the mix to be used is a little bit over half of the mold. Look at that. Look at the steam. Then you can see it's ready. This is how you will notify it, because after a while you do it, you will know. Look at that. It's a perfect timing, perfect amount of the mix. You're gonna get a beautiful and yummy rice cake with the circle in the middle. So let's take a look few more times, okay? Then you will know how to make the rice cake, the good one, and when is the perfect timing to remove the cake so you can have the little circle in the middle, which is the good rice cake should have. look at this. This is so yummy and delicious rice cake we just made. With the right amount of the mix, the right timing to remove the cake, you're gonna have a very yummy and beautifully done the rice cake. With my recipe and the new concept, you're gonna love it. So for who you understand Vietnamese, please check it out my YouTube channel in Vietnamese, which is I have shared, so you can stop by and check it out. Please don't forget to subscribe Lee Dynasty Kitchen to support and to encourage me to make more video to share with you, okay? Real rice cake with the new concept and new recipe I have shared today. I hope you like my video and try it to make it at home so your family and your friends you can enjoy. Please share so everybody will try this new method. One of a kind, makes cooking so easy, and the rice cake will satisfy you with less time consuming, less work. You don't have to wash dishes. You don't have to get over steam all over the house because of the steamer machine. You're gonna love it and enjoy very much, I promise. Steamed rice cake can be served with few different kinds of the filling, depend on the area. From my back home, every area they eat different way, but whatever it is, very yummy. I will share the way how to make the filling next time, so please watch out for that. Thanks again for watching the video, and I hope you like my share today. I will see you next time.